Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video we'll be taking a look at Peloton stock. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get straight on into this. So just before we start the video, go check out the Let's Talk Stock YouTube channel. He made an amazing collab video with all the small finance YouTubers in and somehow got Graham Stephan in it. So go check that out. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. With that out of the way, let's get straight into this. As you can see, guys, we're on Peloton stock graph. Peloton is an American exercise equipment and media company. We're first going to take a look at their stock graph and some of their metrics. We'll then go on their website and talk about some positives and negatives that aren't apparently clear from their stock graph. And we'll end the video summing up my views on Peloton and whether I think it's a buy or not. Right, let's get straight on into this. So Peloton's stock price is currently at $137 US. They've had a bit of a funny day today, going right down at opening, then back up a little bit, and then once again they've gone back down. Peloton had an amazing 2020 and were up about 500% on the beginning of the year, but since then they have had a little bit of decline coming into 2021. Peloton's 52-week low was $17 US and their 52-week high was $171 US. Peloton's market cap is currently $41 billion US, and their price to earning ratio is in the triple digits at 279. The price to earning ratio has been in the 300 range this week, but like I said, it has taken a bit of decline, the stock this week, so it is down in the 200 range. So let's have a look at some of the things that Peloton sell and some positives and negatives that aren't apparently clear from the stock graph. As you probably already know, Peloton sell bikes and treadmills. They then sell a subscription service for these bikes and treadmills that allow you to access online classes at home. Let's take a look at some of the negatives and positives that aren't straight away clear from their stock graph. So what are the negatives to start with? Well, Peloton have a ridiculous amount of time that it takes to deliver their bikes at the moment. It ranges between 7 and 10 weeks, and as you can see here, it is listed on the page when you go to buy the bike. This could be really detrimental to the Peloton stock and Peloton as a company, as people might decide they're just going to buy a different exercise bike that'll take a month or a few weeks to come instead of Peloton's delivery time that can be as much as 2.5 months. People may also think that as this bike is going to take 2.5 months to come, their gyms might be reopened when the Peloton bike comes, and they'd rather just pay the £500 a year for their gym membership instead of paying every month for the subscription service to access the online classes and paying upfront for the Peloton bike. And the final negative for Peloton is, after this coronavirus pandemic is all over and the gyms are reopened, are people really going to be wanting to buy these Peloton bikes as much as they are at the moment, or would they rather just go to their gym where there's a lot more equipment and sometimes a lot more different classes? So they are the negatives about Peloton. What are the positives? Well, the positives is their equipment is absolutely amazing. It gets 5-star reviews everywhere from people that buy it, and people say it's amazing just being able to go into their lounge and literally have a gym in their house, and it be not massive. They've got one piece of equipment and they can do all their exercise on it. Some other positives for Peloton is they are hoping to get this delivery time down. They've just got funding of over 800 million to spend on delivery and on production for these Peloton bikes and treadmills to get the delivery time down. And a positive with Peloton is they do have recurring revenue from their past for people who have already bought their Peloton bikes. As they have this monthly subscription service, they have 40 or 30 to 40 pounds coming in every month from everyone who has a Peloton bike, and this could end up with the company actually not selling many bikes after the coronavirus pandemic, but still bringing in huge amounts of money from these monthly subscriptions. So they were the positives and negatives about Peloton at the moment. What is my opinion on the company? Well, I think Peloton are a bit overvalued at their current share price of $139 US. I think they'll drop back down to $100 to $115 US, and that'll be the perfect time to buy them. I think they just need to sort out these delivery problems and make their bikes and their products compelling in a post-coronavirus world, and they can make huge amounts of money, especially from their subscription services. So I'll be buying Peloton if it drops back down, but don't forget, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so make your own decisions when trading. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again on the channel soon. Goodbye.
You never seen a thing like me. Don't see the light, had one, now three. It's dead to rights, I killed this spree. Yeah, I killed it. Flying to heights you'll never see.